Hello, friends. For grammar this week, we're going to work on two different things. The first thing that we're going to work on is just a review of sentences and sentence fragments. That's what we're going to do today. And then the rest of the week, we're going to talk about the subject of a sentence. That will make more sense when you start your lesson for tomorrow. But today, let's talk about what makes a sentence a sentence. So a sentence, a complete sentence, has a subject and a predicate with a verb. Those two words, subject and predicate, will make more sense tomorrow and next week. But basically, a sentence is a sentence where the words together make sense. It just makes sense. It sounds finished. A fragment is an incomplete sentence that's missing a subject or a predicate. Very quickly, a subject. Well, the subject is the person, place, or thing or idea that the sentence is about. It's the person or thing or idea that's doing something. The predicate is the word or group of words that tells the action. It tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is being in the sentence. So, what we're going to do today, I have got several sentences at the bottom of my slide. We just need to decide, is that group of words, is it a sentence or is it a fragment? If it's a sentence, it means it has everything it needs and it makes sense. If it's a sentence fragment, that means something is missing. So let's start with this group of words right here. On the paper it is. On the paper it is. Does that make sense? Or is it missing something? Well, I sit here and I think, on the paper it is. And I ask myself, what? What is on the paper? It doesn't tell me what is on the paper. This is a fragment. I'm going to move it over here because that does not make sense. Then my second group of words, in the back of the car. In the back of the car. In the back of the car. Is that a sentence or is that a fragment? Does it make sense? Well, what's in the back of the car? It's not telling me what is in the back of the car. That doesn't make sense. It's a sentence fragment. It is a fragment. I'll put it right there. Let's try this group of words. The bag is in the room. The bag is in the room. Does it tell me what the sentence is about? Yep, it's about the bag. And then does it tell me something about the bag? Yep, it's in the room. The bag is in the room is a complete sentence. Let's try this group of words. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Well, I know that sentences need to have an action. Yep, up. You can go up. But is it telling me who or what is up the stairs? No, it's missing something. So it is a fragment. Are you sure you want to go? Well, that's a group of words. But, oh wait, is it a sentence that ends with a question mark? Yes, it is. We've already talked about different types of sentences, and we know that questions are a type of sentence. All right. Are you sure you want to go? Does that make sense? Yeah, that does make sense. It's asking me if I'm sure I want to go. So we're going to put it over here because it is indeed a sentence. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Is that a sentence or a fragment? Does it make sense? Let's go to the beach. Yeah, I wish somebody would say that to me. Let's go. Let's go to the beach. It's a sentence. Then I have this group of words. And he went. And he went. Well, where? Where did he go? He went where? Now, that doesn't make sense. That's a fragment. The last one is, I laughed and ran home. Well, does it have who the sentence is about? Yep, it's about me. It's about I. Does it give an action of what I did? It gives me two actions. I laughed and I ran home. I laughed and ran home. That is a sentence. So a group of words is a sentence if it makes sense. It makes sense if it has the who or what the sentence is about and the action that they did. If it's missing one of those two things, then it's a fragment. Tomorrow and the rest of the week, we are going to focus on the subject part of the sentence. We're going to be reading through sentences to find the subject. We're going to be working on finding the person, the place, or thing, or idea that sentence is about. We're going to talk about who or what is the sentence talking about, and that's the subject. And that will happen tomorrow.